Stop wasting your money on boring tech that looks like it belongs in 2015. Today, we are diving into 15 of the most mind-blowing, shut up and take my money Amazon gadgets that are actually worth your hard-earned cash. We're talking about everything from pocket-sized gaming rigs to tools that look like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. First up, let's talk about the Divoom Times Frame. If you think this is just another digital clock, you're dead wrong. This is a 128 by 128 pixel art masterpiece for your desk. It's a smart display that syncs with your life, showing you everything from live social media follower counts to stock market updates and weather, all in vibrant, customizable pixel animations. Through the Divoom app, you can access a massive community of artists or create your own designs. It's the ultimate vibe setter for any gaming setup or workspace, turning a boring desk into a futuristic command center. But a cool desk setup needs power, and that's where the Atolla 7-port powered USB 3.0 hub comes in. Most USB hubs are flimsy plastic junk that disconnects if you look at them wrong. Not this one. This is a heavy-duty aluminum alloy beast designed for power users. It features 7 high-speed data ports, each with its own individual power switch and LED indicator. This means you can keep your external drives, webcams, and keyboards plugged in, but only active when you need them. No more crawling under your desk to unplug cables. Plus, it's powered by an external adapter, so it can handle power-hungry devices without breaking a sweat. And if you're tired of carrying around a brick-sized charger for your phone and laptop, you need to see the 80-watt retractable USB-C wall charger. This is peak engineering for travelers and commuters. It's a compact wall plug that delivers a massive 80 watts of power, enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro or a flagship smartphone. But the real magic is the built-in retractable USB-C cable. No more tangled messes in your bag or searching for a cord. You pull it out to the length you need, and when you're done, a quick tug snaps it back into the housing. It's clean, it's fast, and it's one less cable you have to worry about losing. Now imagine having the power of a full-scale desktop computer tucked inside a device that actually fits in the palm of your hand. That is the Omni One Pocket Power Mini PC. This isn't some stripped-down stick. It's a productivity powerhouse built for the person who needs a workstation anywhere, from hotel rooms to coffee shops. It's packed with enough RAM and processing muscle to handle 4K streaming, heavy office multitasking, and even some light gaming. Just plug it into any monitor or TV and you've got a stealthy, high-performance Windows environment ready to go. It's the ultimate tool for the digital nomad who refuses to be weighed down by a bulky laptop. Of course, a pocket-sized PC needs a pocket-sized interface, and that's where the mini Bluetooth keyboard with Touchpad comes into play. This is a game changer, not just for mini PCs, but for your smart TV, Steam Deck, or even your smartphone. It's designed to feel like a high-end game controller, but it opens up a world of efficiency with its full, QWERTY layout and a surprisingly precise built-in touchpad. If you've ever spent 5 minutes struggling to type a movie title into a search bar using a standard TV remote, this gadget is going to feel like a gift from the tech gods. It's backlit, rechargeable, and small enough to disappear into your pocket when you're done. But if you really want to see where storage technology is heading, you have to check out the MoveSpeed external drive with touchscreen. Most external SSDs are just silent, boring black boxes. You plug them in and hope they're working. This drive changes the game by adding a bright, integrated color touchscreen right on the casing. It gives you real-time data on your transfer speeds, the internal temperature of the drive, and exactly how much storage capacity you have left at a single glance. It's blisteringly fast, incredibly secure, and quite frankly, it looks like a piece of equipment salvaged from a futuristic spacecraft. It's the perfect blend of high-end aesthetics and need-to-know utility. But once you've got that dual-screen workflow going, you need a way to control it with precision. And that's where the Tourbox Lite smart controller steps in. Think of this as a macro pad on steroids, specifically designed for creators. Instead of fumbling with complex keyboard shortcuts in Premiere Pro, Photoshop, or DaVinci Resolve, you have a dedicated ergonomic hub under your left hand. With its unique combination of knobs, wheels, and buttons, You can zoom, scroll through timelines, and adjust brush sizes with zero friction. It's fully customizable and feels so intuitive that within 10 minutes you'll wonder how you ever edited without it. It's like having a physical extension of your creative mind right on your desk. And if you want to take that PC Anywhere vibe to the absolute extreme, check out the One GX1 miniature gaming laptop. This thing is absolutely insane. It's a 7-inch gaming powerhouse that looks like a miniaturized Alienware rig. But here's the kicker. It features detachable controllers that slide onto the sides, effectively turning your laptop into a high-end handheld console. It's packed with an Intel Core processor, an RGB backlit keyboard, and even supports 4G or 5G connectivity for cloud gaming on the move. Whether you're crushing AAA titles on a plane or finishing up a report in a cafe, the One GX1 is the definitive proof that size doesn't matter when you've got this much tech packed into a chassis this small. Now let's get into the tools that feel like they were stolen from a high-tech lab. First up is the D01 visual soldering iron. If you've ever tried to solder tiny components, you know the struggle of squinting and straining your neck. This gadget solves that by building an HD camera and a powerful 800 lumen spotlight directly into the iron. It streams a magnified, crystal-clear view of your workspace straight to your smartphone or tablet. With 5 temperature settings and a 3000 mAh battery, it's not just a tool, it's a surgical instrument for electronics. You can literally see the solder flow in real time on your screen, ensuring perfect joints every single time without the eye strain. Speaking of clarity, check out the CZUR Max 38 megapixel ProBook scanner. If you have a library of physical books or documents you want to digitize, traditional flatbed scanners are a nightmare. This beast uses a massive 38 megapixel sensor and patented laser curve flattening technology. You just turn the pages and the dual lasers scan the curvature of the book, automatically straightening the digital image and even removing your fingertips from the shot. It can scan an entire A3 size spread in just 1.5 seconds. Plus, with AI-powered OCR that supports over 180 languages, it converts your physical pages into searchable, editable Word or PDF files instantly. It's the ultimate bridge between the physical and digital worlds. Finally, for the secret investigators out there, we have the 365 nanometer UV Blacklight Flashlight. This isn't one of those cheap purple lights you find at a party. The 365 nanometer wavelength is a professional-grade frequency that reveals things the human eye simply cannot see. We're talking about hidden security watermarks on currency, invisible leaks in your car's AC system, or even organic stains on hotel carpets that you'd probably rather not know about. It's made from rugged, waterproof aluminum and is essential for everything from verifying the authenticity of high-end collectibles to deep cleaning your home like a forensic expert. It's the gadget that proves that what you don't see can actually be the most important thing in the room. If you thought 3D printing was only for industrial warehouses or bulky desk setups, the next 2 gadgets are going to blow your mind. First, let's look at the Creality K2 SE 3D printer. This is the evolution of consumer 3D printing. We're talking about a Core XY speed demon that can hit printing speeds of up to 500 millimeters per second. But the real headline here is the multicolor capability. When paired with Creality's filament system, you can print models in up to 16 different colors simultaneously. It features a rock-solid die-cast aluminum frame that eliminates vibrations, meaning your high-speed prints come out with professional-grade surface finishes. It even has smart auto-leveling that only targets the specific print area to save you time. It's the perfect bridge between a hobbyist tool and a professional production machine. But what if you want to go smaller? I mean really small. Enter the Tiny Maker 3D printer. This is officially the world's most adorable powerhouse. It is a palm-sized, open-source resin printer that you can actually run off a portable power bank. Don't let the size fool you. It delivers a staggering 0.12 millimeter resolution, allowing you to print incredibly detailed miniatures, jewelry, or replacement parts anywhere, from a coffee shop to a tent in the woods. With its fully transparent shell, you can watch the entire liquid-to-solid magic happen in real time. It's the ultimate gadget for makers who want to take their creativity on the road without hauling a suitcase full of equipment. Finally, for the hardcore mobile gamers and content creators who push their phones to the absolute limit, we have the Black Shark Magnetic Phone Cooler 5 Pro. We've all been there. Your phone starts lagging, the screen dims, and your frame rate drops because of heat. This 35-watt cooling beast is the nuclear option for thermal management. It uses a massive cooling plate and a high-speed fan to drop your device's temperature by up to 45 degrees Celsius in just 25 seconds. It can literally reach sub-zero temperatures to keep your processor running at peak clock speeds. It features 18 customizable RGB LEDs and a smart app that lets you monitor live temps and adjust the cooling curve. Whether you're playing Genshin Impact or streaming 4K video, this magnetic cooler ensures your hardware stays ice cold while the competition melts. There you have it. 15 Amazon gadgets that are officially living in the year 2030. From pocket-sized PCs to sub-zero phone coolers, these are the tools that actually make your digital life easier, faster, and way more fun. If any of these caught your eye, you can find the links in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our deep dives into the world's coolest tech. If you enjoyed this countdown, drop a comment letting us know which gadget was your favorite. Are you going for the Tiny Maker or that insane 1GX1 laptop? Thanks for watching Smart Gadget Picks, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay futuristic.